Hi, Leann Forst here, and I am going to show you how to make a essential oil roller bottle blend for digestive health. So I hear it all the time, that upset stomachs, nausea, when you eat something that doesn't agree with you, all of those are big issues for a lot of my clients. And so instead of turning to the over-the-counter, the Tums or milk of magnesia or whatever it is to soothe your stomach, let's try natural remedies first. It's a first line of defense because they're safer, they're more effective, and they cost less. And so I'm going to start with Digestive, which is a doTERRA essential oil blend for digestive health. And I'm going to make my own 5 milliliter roller bottle, okay? So Digestive is a blend in itself with all of the digestion supporting essential oils, and such as ginger, phenol, and some other ones that are going to soothe the digestion tract, okay? And so I put 10 drops in my 5 milliliter roller bottle. If you have a 10 milliliter roller bottle, you can double that. And then this one may not be one that you think of right away, but wild orange. Wild orange is very soothing to the digestive tract, and I'm going to add 10 drops also, and then I'm going to top it off with fractionated coconut oil. And there you go, voila. I'm going to add my roller ball, just pop it on, okay? And you're going to basically rub this on your tummy 2 to 3 times a day, anytime you feel upset stomach or after you eat. And that's it. It's an easy go-to roller bottle blend that you could take and try with you anytime you travel, or keep it at home for easy use. So that's it for me. Bye for now.